Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about cryptography. Applications of cryptography. We will see some applications of cryptography. So let's begin. Applications of cryptography. Here are some applications where we can use cryptography. Authentication. Cryptography ensures secure access by verifying identity such as user logins or device authentications through encrypted credentials. Internet of Things (IoT). Cryptography safeguards communication between IoT devices, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring data integrity. Card payments. Secure encryption method protects sensitive cardholders' data during online or offline transactions, reducing fraud risks. PC and different passwords. Cryptographic hashing securely stores passwords, making it challenging for attackers to recover the original password even if the database is compromised. E-commerce websites. Cryptography protects customer information and payment data through SSL TLS encryption, building trust in online shopping. Digital currency. Cryptographic algorithms underpin cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, ensuring secure transactions, decentralized control, and immutable records. Secure file store. Cryptography encrypts files to prevent unauthorized access, safeguarding sensitive information in local and cloud storage. Digital signatures. These ensure the authenticity and integrity of digital documents or messages, providing a secure way to sign electronically.